All right. So just download. Yep. So just go there and download Debian 11. Scroll down a bit. These are ads everywhere. There. Scroll down more. Here comes Debian. Scroll up. Let's see which version this is. Scroll up a bit. This is Debian 10. Okay. Let's get Debian 11. Go to the top. The URL has a Debian 10 in it. Go up to the URL at the top of your browser and just change that 10 to an 11. I should update my link on this page. There. There we are. Now we should have some Debian 11 downloads. 10 would have worked, but we might as well use the later version. So scroll down. Yeah, that's good.
11.1.0?
Yeah, the latest one is probably best. There. And now you want, you're using VMware, so you want the fourth button, the regular installation VMware, that one. Just download that. And that's 1 gig, and it'll make you wait 20 seconds just to punish you for using the free service. All right, it should start. There it goes. And it's going to be 1 minute. Yeah, coming right along. Good.
You can see I've been shopping for beds.
Oh, yes. I've noticed if I buy like a pair of shoes at Amazon for the next week, it'll keep trying to sell me the exact same shoes. Like, whoever's paying for these ads is not getting their money worth. I mean, at least show me something similar but different. I'm clearly not going to buy another pair of the same shoes. Like, this is the same thing with the YouTube filter. I mean, they kept blocking my videos for containing COVID disinformation until I learned you just have to not say the word COVID, and that solves that problem.
Well, and you're not spreading COVID disinformation.
Well, yeah, but no, but the point is they're so dumb they can't tell disinformation from disinformation, but they're in fact so dumb that they're just looking for one keyword and that's it.
Well, now that you said it, can you actually post this one?
I can. I find if it does seem to know whether you talk about it to any great extent or not. When we'd have an article and we would have a discussion for like 10 minutes about the article, they would always flag me for disinformation. They can't, but it's amazingly dumb, their filter. All right. Now, you may have to install 7-zip, which would be a good thing to have on this video anyway for people. Let's see, 1.0 out of 1.2 gigs. We're nearly there. There. No, not quite yet. Okay.
Not close.
Yep. Good. When it's done downloading, I want you to click that up arrow and show in folder.
Okay.
Because we have to unzip this, and I think we're going to need to install another app to do that. Show in folder. Okay, try unconfirmed download. Maybe it's not done yet. Yeah, I guess it's still not done. Let's wait and see.
That seems weird.
Maybe you need to refresh that window. Sometimes there's a refresh view right there. Nope, still unconfirmed. Well, that's interesting. But it looks like it's...
I've never seen that before.
And it looks like it's confirmed from the browser. Maybe you should go to the browser and go to the downloads window the other way and see if that'll do it. Because the browser seems happy about that.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's still... yeah, there it is.
Oh, it looks like it's still working.
I think it is still doing something. There, now it's done. Okay.
There we go, yeah.
So it was in fact still unconfirmed. There it is, Debian 7G. So right-click that and see if you have a 7-zip option. You don't. Okay, you need to install 7-zip. So go back to your browser.
Okay.
And go to 7-zip.org. Okay. Just enter and download the first one, 64-bit for Windows. That's it.
Okay.
And install that.
What's this?
It is a compression utility that can do,
Oh, okay.
because Windows can only do like zip, and this can do like the most popular 12 compression formats. Just it's very handy. Double click that. Now, supposedly, in Windows 11, they're adding a more powerful zip utility that can do more. So you won't need this forever. But right now you do. So just close that. And now, if you right-click that file you downloaded, the Debian, you should have a 7-zip option, and you do. 7-zip, extract to a folder. Go down a couple. There it is, tidier. That'll put it in a folder. Just click that.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It just keeps it cleaner to have it all in a folder.
Agreed.
And you could move that folder somewhere else if you wanted to, or you can just leave it in downloads. Boy, your machine is nice and fast. Okay. So now, just open that Debian 11 folder. Down a little, right there. And in here, double-click the VMX file, the second one. And that should launch it in VMware. Yep, there it is. Yep, and just the default is fine. I copied it. Doesn't really matter. And this is good. Let it boot up. Good. Okay, and just click Debian, and the password is Debian, lowercase Debian. There. This was written by a married couple named Deb and Ian.
Oh.
Yeah. I was sort of charmed to learn that. And now there's a flag to get if you go to Project M111. Just go look at the instructions and you'll see how to get the flag. Oh, it's not on the list. I'll have to add it. Let me take care of that. I'll do that while you're looking up the flag. 111.1, okay. It goes here.
Let's see. Keep losing my directions somewhere.
Yeah, too many tabs. All right.
Yes, definitely. So let's see. Installing, download and import a Linux virtual. So we've done that under the file. Work activities.
Yeah, you just got a couple installs to do. So open up a terminal. Activities, terminal.
When I click on activities, it's not doing anything.
Oh, that's rude. It should. Maybe make it bigger. Yeah, I don't know. That's rude. Maybe it's still booting up then. Yeah, seems like maybe it's just not quite ready yet.
That's something goofy too.
It doesn't seem to be resizing the desktop the way it should either. Maybe it's not really up yet.
Okay, now I'm stuck.
Yeah, now I don't see anything.
I don't either, and I can't see my mouse.
Well, you get your mouse out, you press Control-Alt, or maybe it's the right Control-Alt. Try that. There's special key presses to release your mouse from a virtual machine. Okay.
Yeah.
Now try getting back to an intermediate size. And it might still be starting up. Try pressing Enter in there, see if it wakes up. Might be worth a reboot. You Control-Alt to get out. And then you can do player power restart. Yeah, restart guest might be worth doing. Try again. That's a little rude. All right. All right. All right, see if activities responds now. Okay, good. And now you can type TER in that search bar, TER, and open terminal right there. Okay, and in here you got a couple commands you can put in there. Sudo apt update first. This updates the list of available packages, and now you install Android Tools ADB. Which is what we really need. Yep. This lets us control Android machines. And now ADB version should give you the flag.
In your Debian machine, open a terminal window and execute this command. So this just tells us what version it is, right?
That's right. That's right.
Android.
Mm-hmm. You might not be able to copy out of the VM. We'll see.
Oh, that's okay.
Yeah.
Android, so, which one is this one?
It's 111, and you probably have to refresh the page because it wasn't there, but I just added it. So, yeah, try refreshing that page. And then M111. There it is. Oh, you can copy. Very good. Okay, good. I'm going to stop this recording then.